I'm using these trimmed green beans for this dish. To break the beans, I'm just using my hands, and you just break, and there's a little piece of thread at the back that you just pull out each time you break the bean. So I'm breaking them at about 3 centimeters each, and then just pull the little thread at the back, and do all the beans like that. I've got 1 onion and 1 garlic, which I'm just going to peel and cut. I've heated about 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and now we're just going to add our beans. Add salt and pepper to taste. I'm adding 2 teaspoons. 2 teaspoons. Quarter cup of water. And now turn the heat down and simmer them for about 10 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes, so I've just opened it to see it's reduced down quite a lot. And now I'm just going to be adding a wee bit more water because the beans are still a little bit tough. So another quarter cup of water. And then once again, just cover that and reduce it until the sauce gets thicker and the beans get nice and tender. So now the beans are nice and tender. And just turn the heat off. Thank you so much for watching.